Now on the corona-cation, it was time for Yellowstone. Yellowstone like we'd never seen it before. We'd never been there that early.
And as you know, adventure lies around every corner. And this adventure was full of firsts.
And look who was campsite security. The drive from Coyote to the Yellowstone gate was filled with wonderment and sights to behold. Amazing things and amazing animals. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to our little spot on the internet. Join us as we explore our world.
Follow along as we share our adventures on the roads less traveled.
The truck, a trailer, and we three. Come along. And all the way from the East Gate to Fishing Bridge, we were surrounded by snow, beautiful waterfalls, and a sight we had never thought we would see in our lifetime, and that was Yellowstone Lake completely frozen over. Couldn't believe it when we saw it. It was amazing. Even in the middle of winter, they were building new bridges, and the old traditional bridges were going to go away.
Driving along the Yellowstone River, something caught my eye. A grizzly was crossing the river. We stopped in the middle of the road, and there was no one around us. We waited and watched as he crossed right in front of the truck, only a few yards away. It seemed that time stood still, and for a moment it was just us and the bear.
What a cool grizzly moment.
And in just a quick shake and a jump up the trail, the bear was gone. And even though the park was officially open, it was the first day, so there were still areas that were closed and had not been maintained yet.
The dance for survival continued in Yellowstone as it had for centuries, and the thermal features were shrouded in more steam than we had ever seen due to the snow and cold temperatures. We felt like we were in our own private park.
As we came into Old Faithful, we saw that the snow was beginning to increase. The lodge was completely empty. There was no one around. So we decided that we could find a perfect place to watch Old Faithful erupt. And it was right here. Want to talk about amazing. The day was full of many surprises, including this little fellow who decided to cross the road right in front of us. He could have cared less about us. We were just a minor annoyance. But he was there looking for something, and we were able to track him through the marina for quite some time, right around the Fishing Bridge Marina. What a blessing to be able to share that moment with the family, and with you. Mother Nature tried to keep her grip on Hayden Valley, but it was just not to be. And as the sun set, we were reminded of the glory and the special place that Yellowstone is.